Hello, my name is Andreas. I'm one of the founders of CI HUB, and it's amazing to be here at the Pimcore Inspire. This is really great to have the opportunity to show all of you a new way and a cool way on how we can access Pimcore data within your Adobe products or within your Microsoft products. And it's the whole range already. In the Adobe products, we have the InDesign, Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, Premiere Pro, and InCopy. And for the Microsoft products, it's PowerPoint, it's Excel, it's Outlook, and Word. So let me show you on how it looks on the CI HUB side. You've already seen how easy it is to set it up on the Pimcore side, and it's the same easy way on the CI HUB side. To create a connection, let me show you it in my preferred Adobe InDesign application. To connect to the prepared Pimcore system, you just go to the tab Connections. You click on Add a new connection. You click on the Pimcore button. It brings you to the login site. You enter your token. And that's it. If we go back to InDesign, there is our Pimcore connection. And it's a full connection based on your individual user rights. And now I select my Pimcore in the navigation, and I can start navigate within my Pimcore system. You see immediately, if I have selected my Pimcore, I see my folders, I see the assets, I see the objects. I can now go into assets. I see the different subfolders. I go to car images, I go to Lamborghini, and I see everything what is available in the folders assets in my images from Lamborghini. To make it easy for you to navigate within the content, you see these images as a light table. You can see all the results as a list, or you can see the details of one of the selected assets, or you can just double click on it. Whatever it's more comfortable for you in your work process, this is already supported. If you double clicked on an asset, then you immediately see the basic metadata. We do support the custom metadata. So whatever you have defined in the Pimcore system, it will be showing up under custom. And you see the standard XMP, EXIF, and IPTC data. If you now like to use that asset, you can easily drag and drop that asset into your InDesign document in this case, or you can click on the download file dialog button, and you can even select the different renditions. Whatever renditions your system supports, this is a dynamic list and will be available immediately. So I would like to use that image, I drag and drop it, and I place it within my InDesign. Very simple. But I cannot just use my images and drag and drop them. I can also use metadata for this. And this is particularly interesting if I go to my objects, and within my objects, let me go within my assets. Within my objects, let me go to the news area. Here I see all objects related to news. I click on the historic racing of Le Mans. Now I see a couple of assets which are related to that object, and I can drag and drop that text into my InDesign document as well. And I can use this one, I can use that image here and place it. You see, it's very, very simple. All the other functionalities which are available within our CI HUB plugin, like the similarity search, is also completely available to you in here. But you cannot just navigate through your folder structure, you can also do the full text search. Let me type in Lamborghini. I should use something simpler. Here it is. Find all assets which are related to the Miura, and you see you also get all the filters which are available in your system, and you now can filter in a very easy way between all the different found assets and the objects. Very simple to do that. Let us use this one again. Let us drag it in here and use the metadata which comes with it. Let us use this one. There is a small disclaimer down here. Very simple. If you think that you have seen that image too often, just click on the similarity search button and tell the system, I would like to find a similar image within my Adobe stock system. And it immediately gives you access with the similarity search to all of the assets which are similar to the selected one in Adobe stock. You can also drag and drop it, you can purchase it, and if you're finished, you can upload the whole InDesign document and the assets back to the Pimcore system. One more thing, it is very easy to use it in the Adobe products, and it's even more easier to use it in the Microsoft products. Same here, you have your CIR plugin. I'm already connected to my Pimcore system. I can navigate through my structure. I can drag and drop text into my document in here, and I can drag and drop my images in here, and I can easily design a wonderful flyer, brochure, sales folder, whatever you need. You see, we have put a lot of effort in it to make it easy for you and your customers to use the data within the Pimcore system in a whole new way, in a very simple way, in a way that almost needs no configuration, and in a way that allows you to open the Pimcore data to completely new user groups. And we think this is a big step for everyone to use the PIM data in a more easy and versatile way. I hope you like that. We do have a deep dive session in the afternoon. I hope you like to join that and ask as many questions, and I do a deep dive demo and give you all the details I couldn't do in this demo. So thanks a lot. Enjoy the rest of the day, and happy to get questions. Bye bye. Thanks to all of you.